Snow White's barbecue.
She walks out smiling with snow on her sleeve. Whistles to the sparrows like, come here to me.
Deer in the hedges, fox by the fence. She feeds them sugar apples, then the trap makes sense.
Pale hands, red apron, clean little grin. You hear her say, darling, and you step right in.
Better watch that smile, better read that look.
If she pours you tea, then she's got your book.
She says, come closer, then the whole room stills.
One sweet glance and the air turns steel. Snow White's barbecue. Snow White's barbecue. Come for the sweet tune, leaving the smoke too. Snow White's barbecue.
Snow White's
Barbecue. If she calls your name, babe, you better move.
rabbits in the back, feeding from her hand. She pets them soft, then the knives come fast.
Lantern on the porch, bones by the gate. She keeps that table ready for whoever makes the mistake. Flax in the yard, she sings like sugar, but she bites that hard.
Better watch that smile, better read that look.
If she offers you a seat, then you're in the book.
She says, come closer, then the whole room stills.
One sweet glance and the air turns steel. Snow White's barbecue. Snow White's barbecue. Come for the sweet tune, leaving the smoke too. Snow White's barbecue.
Snow White's
Barbecue. If she calls your name, babe, you better move.
She don't need a crown,
She don't need a crown.
she don't need a throne.
She don't need a throne.
Just a backyard fire
She don't need a fire.
and a bone, white bone.
Hear the whistle rise, hear the hush come down. When her shadow hits the door, you don't turn around. She's sweet till the